Okay friends, to get started on our blower motor, we're going to get underneath the passenger side dash. This is going to be located right underneath your glove box. You're going to see that there's two mounting wires. You're going to have one right here. Go ahead and pop that off of there. And then we've got this one right here. Let's go ahead and remove both of those. We're just going to set these aside. Just remember on which prong they went. The next thing we want to do is remove our 5 mounting bolts. So that's the last of our screws. Now we're just going to carefully draw this away from the dash. As it comes back, let's go ahead and start bringing it down. I'm just going to twist it so I have a nice flat area here. It's going to come under the bar. There it is, friends. So before we can continue on and putting in our brand new blower motor, we need to pay attention to our original blower motor. You want to go ahead and make sure that you take this off of here by removing this bolt, and we're going to transfer it over to the new blower motor. Now let's continue on. Just going to put the screw right through there. It's going to go into the smaller of the two holes that are right side by side. Just make sure that's nice and snug. Perfect. Another thing we want to do is continue on by grabbing these. Let's remove them all, and then we're going to insert them into our brand new blower motor. Okay, so now it's going to be time to install our brand new blower motor. Let's go ahead and start the cage inside there. We're going to bring it so it has a nice flat spot so it comes up along the rod. Continue on by twisting it so all the holes line up. Start in all of your bolts and then snug them up. All of our mounting bolts in, it's going to be time to reinstall our wires. The black wire is going to go to your ground. The ground is the part that you ended up screwing onto the brand new blower motor. Go ahead and connect that in, and then connect in your power wire, which is the red wire. There we are. Give everything a nice wiggle, make sure it's completely secured, and test your blower motor.